Listen to me, don't message her at all.
Keep quiet. What do you have to do with this?
Neha's phone is with Pari.
I love you. What did you say? The phone?
It's with Pari.
Why did you not tell me before? Fool!
I'm trying to tell you since an hour.
You've
Are
been
you
telling
listening?
since an hour to not message or call. It was better to say that the phone is with Pari and not Neha in place of that. Now what do? I sent messages too. I'll delete it.
No. Don't delete.
She opened the message and read it, which means
Let them do it.
it's not right. Pari has the phone.
Let her read. Neha is her mother. She will handle it. Why should we care?
What do you mean? Pari has read all the messages. This is really very odd. We had just started to speak. The talks are going on track now, and now look what happened.
Everything's ruined.
Yes, but what do I do now?
Brother, that's why I'm telling you. You're not a child. You have grown up.
Meaning?
Love maturely.
So how should I behave, love guru?
I will tell you. Don't keep messaging her continuously. You shouldn't message for every feeling. You should speak everything in one message.
Haven't you heard the famous quote? A relation without words is just two people. We should tell the other person whatever we have in our mind.
We should speak, but we should not always convey our feelings with words. We should let it sleep. And then, with our eyes, we both signal with our eyes.
Will you tell me in detail now? Alright, will you tell me in detail now?
Oh man, I will have to give you the demo now. Okay, listen. Now look, imagine you are in the office, okay? There are a lot of people in the office, but you have to just ask Neha, how are you? How will you ask? Come on, tell me.
How are you, Neha?
You shouldn't ask that.
Then?
You should speak with the eyes. Look at this.
Like this?
Yes, with your eyes. It's a language of the eyes. Then what will she say?
I'm fine.
No, she won't. She will just say with her eyes. Did you understand the language of the eyes? Do you understand?
Yes.
Wait. I'll give you another example. Now imagine you want to call her in the canteen. Then how will you call? What is this nonsense? You will do this?
You said canteen, right? So won't I show that the canteen is this side to the canteen?
With your eyes. The language of the eyes. Listen now.
Just so much. Will she understand?
Girls realize 100% for sure the language of the eyes. She will also talk about it.
What?
You should speak with your eyes. You practice. Come on. Practice it. Practice, okay? The language of the eyes.
Can I move my head?
It's fine, but you should move your eyes too, okay?
Samir, how to tell with the eyes to bring chili pickles? Do I send messages? Samir!
Sister, can I come in?
Come in.
Come. Keep it here. Go now. Sister, did you see this?
What is this?
These are the things which we should send to Neha's house.
Who decided this?
This is a tradition, sister.
I mean, who decided that we should follow the ritual? Or did you decide it yourself?
I mean, we should go empty-handed while going to ask for her hand in marriage. Sister, we should take something while going. At the end of the day, we are the Chaudharys.
So now you will tell me this.
It's not that, sister, but a new daughter-in-law.
She's ready to come to this house. But are you ready to be a mother-in-law?
Yes. What is the issue? I'm ready.
You cannot become a mother-in-law just by decking up. I mean, for example, just think that you want to tell her any word. But while saying that, you show too much ego, the way mother-in-law behave. Don't do that.
It's easy, sister. I will speak sweetly and get my work done. I mean like this. Listen to me. You make such good tea. Will you make 1 cup of tea for me,
If
please?
you say so softly, then she will refuse on your face.
Hey, come here. Get me a hot cup of tea for me.
If you behave like this, then she will go and tell her husband, okay? She will go and tell Yash that everyone here is speaking harshly and behaving
No,
badly with me.
sister. If that happened, then it will be an issue.
That's what I'm saying. It's not so easy to be a mother-in-law. If you want to keep our daughter-in-law under our control, if you want to keep her under your control, then it needs smartness.
Okay.
Tell me something.
If you want your daughter-in-law to wear a simpler sari than yours, then how will you say?
Now, how do I say that? I mean, shall I show her to wear a particular sari, or should I wear a better one than her once she wears a sari? What do you think?
If you get angry at her, then how will you say?
Why should I get angry, sister? All right. Listen to me. I mean, why should I get angry at her? I can speak normally with her, right? You also speak nicely with her, isn't it?
I am behaving nicely with her as I am Yash's elder aunt, her elder mother-in-law. She will respect me for sure, right? She will respect me. But I am worried about you. And anyway, you are not respected in this. Brother-in-law doesn't even speak with you. He says anything to you. I feel that the new daughter-in-law should respect you. She should remain under your authority. So practice how to be a mother-in-law. Okay? Hey, come here. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. One should keep daughters-in-law under control, but they shouldn't find out. They shouldn't find out that we are being a mother-in-law. That is the main thing.
You look very smart. Okay, so she will take your practice from today. And this, the gift and all, I'll see what to do with it, okay?
Yes, sister.
Go.
Come.
Good morning. Hey, who changed the arrangement here? I mean, even the memento is not here. There is nothing here too. Why is it not locking in? Chef Ali?
Yes.
Chef Ali, look, why is it not logging in?
Ask someone else, Neha. I have to show this file to Ghatonde sir urgently. You
Chef-
please ask it.
Suresh? Suresh, where did all the things go from here? Why can't I log in? This arrangement was not like this. Where is all my stuff? Who moved it?
It's me, ma'am.
Why did you move
Now
it?
your table is not here. Now you will sit in a new place.
Who decided this? It is my place, so I will decide where to sit. Get my stuff. You can't do something like this.
I cannot say it till anyone says it.
I'm telling you.
No, you will say it, but I should get order from above.
Look, if you don't listen to me, then I will complain to the admin. Just go and get the stuff.
Ma'am, once the place changes, then it cannot be changed again.
Why did you move my stuff in the first place? Who told you?
Yes, sir.
But then, where should I sit?
Come, ma'am. Come. Come. Come, ma'am. Come. Sit here.
Here?
Yes,
In front of Mr. Yash's office?
it is an order.
Okay. Fine.
Ma'am,
What is this? What is this?
it is an order.
Fine.
Ma'am, do you want anything? Tea or coffee?
No, nothing. Suresh, take this, please.
Neha ma'am.
Now, what is this? Where do I keep this? Suresh, now I will have to keep this on my head.
Ma'am, I am just following orders.
Please take this away.
How did you find the new place? You liked it, right?
It's nice.
Thank you.
How will I work now? What do I remove? There is so much mess here. How will I work with all this? I'm firstly not used to using a laptop. Yes, I understand. You did all this so that I can work comfortably, but really, this is too much.
Did you see? She didn't utter a word.
I am seeing everything.
Are you okay with it?
Fine.
Is there any problem?
Don't you feel it's becoming a bit over?
Stop speaking nonsense. I'll go check to see if everything is fine and I'll come back. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
All okay? Are you comfortable? Tell me if you need anything.
Yash, what is this madness?
We are in the office.
Everyone is watching, right?
So what? I love you.
But bringing relationship between work is not right, isn't it? You are giving me special treatment. Please don't do it.
But why?
Because I am telling you. Look, I will not like it if work and company will be affected. It won't be good.
Fine. As you say.
Hi, Shifali.
Wow, Neha, you are here? Tell me, what work did you have?
Should I come here only if I have any work?
It's not like that. Now you have got a special place to sit, then why will you come here apart from some work?
Look, I was here to talk to you as a friend. But if you want to talk to me as a colleague, then I will go.
No, wait. I was going to come to speak with you. Alright, tell me, how did you like the new place? Madhuri,
Yes?
Listen, will you please give this file to Ghartondi sir?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Tell me.
No, the place is fine, but I like this place more.
That is right.
Listen, Shefali,
Yes?
will you go and sit there?
One moment, Neha. That place has been given to you, not me.
But can't you do this much as a friend?
No. Someone has specially done all of this for my friend, right? Then why should I do something?
Yes, that place is good anyway. I can see the whole cabin from there. Someone is very sad in the office. Who? Samir sir. No, Samir sir was telling me to tell you to sit there.
What? What did he tell you?
He told me to tell you to please sit there.
He said please for me.
Yes, but if you don't want to sit, then I will tell him.
No need. I mean, now that Samir sir has said it, so I'm ready to shift there. Or else I wouldn't have left my desk.
You go there. There is a surprise there for you.
Surprise?
Yes.
What is the surprise?
Go and sit there, you will find out.
All right. Bye. Thank you so much. I love you.
Sorry.
Wow. Neha's table is so nice. Wow. The chair is so comfortable. It's so cute. Wow, chocolates. Hey, wait. This juice is for me, right? Thank you. You go now. Meet me in the canteen 15 minutes before the lunch break. Hi, sir.
Hi, Shefali.
Sir, how come you are here at this time?
Coffee? I came here as I felt like having a little coffee. What are you doing here?
Lunch break.
You're taking a break early.
I mean, I was very hungry, sir, so I came early. Sir, your coffee isn't here yet? You go into your cabin. I will send Suresh there itself.
No. Why? I'll take it. Suresh will bring it in sometime. No problem. But where is your lunchbox? You said you were hungry, right?
Yes. I'll be back, sir.
Okay.
Sir, coffee? You wanted coffee, right?
Thanks.
Sir, have it. Drink your coffee fast. Drink it, sir. Yes, have it.
Shefali,
Yes.
sorry, I forgot to say something. Sameer was asking about you.
Sameer sir was asking about me.
Yes. He told me that if I see you anywhere, then I should tell you that he's waiting near your desk. Sorry, I forgot to tell you back then.
All right. So I should go near my desk.
Near the desk.
Okay, sir. You drink coffee.
Of course.
Yes.
Thank you. Hello, Neha. Where are you? Come fast. I'm waiting in the canteen.
I'm coming. Give me 2 minutes.
Okay.